Hello again. So now today we are going to see the setup of GitBash and what else? The other one is XAMPP server. We have seen the MySQL server, we have set up it already, and it is working in our terminal also, as you can see. Slash u root. You must have tried some codes also if you are interested in doing. So this is our MySQL. Now we are going to set up our Git. So first, let me write this Git. See, Git is not recognized as an internal or external command. Okay. So what we are going to do? We are going to install Git. I have downloaded Git already. So I am going to show you how to download it first. Tab Git, not this. This is GitHub. Type Git, just Git. Okay. Then go here. Download for Windows. Just download for Windows. Click. We will be sent to this site. Standalone installer, we are going to download. We are not going for the thumb drive edition. I'm going to 464-bit based on your requirements. You can go. I've already downloaded this thing. That's why it's coming one. So I'm not going to download it again. Just like I did for my SQL. If something wrong with your downloading part, then check your internet connection. Don't blame me. Okay, so we are in Git. Now we are going for double click it. Just press yes. And there is a preamble. If you are interested and have many times, can read. I'm not going to. We're going for the program files in Git. Next. Okay, open Git Bash, open GUI, additional icons on the desktop. No, I don't need to check daily for Git. No. Just press next. Git. Okay. Use Vim. Next. Let Git override the default branch name for new repositories. Let Git decide use Git for Git Bash only. No. Git from the command line and third party. Both Git and the optional directory will be added to your path. Okay, this option adds only some minimal Git wrappers to your path to avoid creating your environment with optional Unix tools. I would say just use Git and optional Unix from the command prompt. Like from the command prompt, we are going to use it. So we'll choose the third option because command line is Git bash command line only you can use it. But if you're going to use from this command prompt, just put it third. Then the rest put it next. You don't have to select even the last option. The option which says git recommended and the third says use it from the command line. First or second or third option you will come. Select this from the so that you can use it from the command prompt. Windows PowerShell, whatever you say. Let it install. Okay, let's install. You can launch GitBash also, like launch GitBash finish. This is GitBash. This is not our command prompt. This is our command prompt where we put Git earlier and we got an error that Git is not recognized as a command. Let's we put Git again. Okay, it's already coming. Git is not recognized as a command. So why it is coming? I'm going to tell. I'm seriously telling you there was no problem. I just crossed my command prompt and open it again. So it was telling that Git is like, see, if I put Git, I will this Git // if I put version, I will get the Git version. So believe me, it is going to fix if you just cross it and then open it again. It's going to tell you the Git version because we have selected to use it from the command prompt. That's why it will. That time it was not in his memory or something. I don't know. I haven't done anything. I just crossed it and started it again, and it's telling it was there. Okay, so our Git is installed. Now we are going to install our XAMPP. XAMPP. Go to XAMPP downloads. XAMPP. Here, click on XAMPP for Windows. Also, in this, your download will be starting. Okay. If your download don't start, click here. But here, the download has been started. I guess should show. See, the download started. I already have this installer. That's why it's coming one. So I'm just going to cancel it. Cancel it and whatever cancel it, and then I'm just going to install it from my downloads. Use downloads. I've already installed this thing so that you don't need to have much more time showing you downloads. Plus, I don't think my Wi-Fi speed is that much speed. Just press OK. Next, everything is selected. Next, see it will be coming next. Next. Okay, it's preparing until it gets downloaded. I'm going to not pause. Let's no. I'm going to show in other videos how we are gonna get this in our file, and then we are going to go for the connection point. So, okay, now our XAMPP is installed. Do you want to start the control panel now? Let's say finish. If the control panel is started, it will go look like this. This is our XAMPP. Okay, let's say we put the Apache server start, which started. Let's try to start our MySQL server. Attempting to start. Okay, so error detected. This you are going to face many times that error has detected in MySQL server. So how to fix this? Okay, generally two types of error happens. One error I am going to show you, give you the fix. If this fix works, then okay, that's fine. Another type of error, if the this fix doesn't work, then for that error you have to just uninstall XAMPP and install it again. But most of the time this error going to come. This error is this like the port is occupied. You can check the error log also. No, error log of MySQL. You go here. Just go here. Aborting. You already have, like it said, you already have another MySQL server running on port 3306. So it's saying that something is already running on this port. Okay. So what we're gonna do, we're going to find it which process ID is running on that port. Okay. So for that, we're going to port netstat uno. Okay. NET netstat uno. Press this. Displays all connections, listening. Um, Let me see the port first. Was netstat only, no? Like this, it was netstat. Anything state. Sorry, my bad. It was not Uno, it was Eno. Okay. Okay, so we have these bus process IDs running. Okay. So our goal is to find the process ID 3306. So you are not going to obviously search for 3306 here. So just type netstat no find slash dash would be there. Find bracket 3306 bracket space. Let's go. Okay, so here are the process IDs getting. These are the PIDs which are using your 3306 port. Like 33060 port you want to find, and these are the process ID you take. So we are going to kill those process ID. So for killing these process ID, you have to do task kill slash PID. You're not always going to get this process ID. For your case, the process ID could be different. So remember that. Remember this format PID. Write the PID like 20604 in my case. In your case, it could be like 5860 or something. And slash F. But I'm going to slash F slash What is this happening? I'm going to copy paste it. Why? Okay, I'm going to tell you in a bit. Control C. If you run this, it will say invalid argument option, whatever task skill or type task skill for usage it cannot use. So what you have to do? Close this. Go to your command prompt. Right click on this command prompt. Right click here. Run as administrator. Run command prompt as administrator, and then type this again. Task skill slash bid 5860, and this slash should be here, and there should be no gap. Okay, okay. 50206 604 and slash f. Now run. Okay, so you can kill this process ID from the running command prompt as an administrator. The normal command prompt cannot kill it. So remember it. The process ID with this has been terminated. Okay, so you can just cancel it. In command prompt also you can administrator command prompt also you can use this. So since it has been terminated, I guess our server should start. And yes, it is running well and functionally. Okay, so this is how you implement your git bash, and the errors also came. So we solved the error. Like in git bash it was telling it is not recognized. We cancel it and run it again. So our git bash is recognized. In XAMPP MySQL and Apache is not get MySQL was not running, so we fixed that error also and install our XAMPP also. And why the icon is not showing? Let me search for this. XAMPP icon is not showing. So I am gonna just, so this is all you have to do. But from now you can exit because I'm just going to put icon of XAMPP here, nothing else. XAMPP control panel, pin to taskbar. Okay, this is XAMPP control panel properties. I will go and I will go to details, details for part compatibility. Where is the icon option? Let me search for the icon option, and I'm going to put some icon. So in the shortcut, here shortcut, you're going to see change icon. Change icon. You have to go browse, and inside XAMPP, go to the htdocs, which we are going to use for most of the time from now. Tap on favicon.ico, open because icon is in ICO format. That's why it was not coming. Apply and okay. Now I guess our icon should come. Wait, I did not apply icon in this, I guess. Pin to taskbar. Forget to apply, I guess, icon. That's why it is not going to. I'm going to change the icon. Just wait. Okay, icon is here. Okay. Really don't know why the icon is not coming. I will figure out and tell you. Okay. The item has been changed as we has put it to ICO file. It was not changing, but then we changed it. It asked for the administrator permission. I cannot record it, but it changed and it came like this. So that's not the method. The XAMPP is running. The icon changed. Everything's running. Now in another video, I'm going to show you how you can take the from the GitHub file and then edit. Okay. So till then, tata. Wait for the next video.